OMEX was established in Canada in 1998 and built its first state-of-the-art formulating facility in 2005 in Oak Bluff, Manitoba. This facility subsequently expanded to triple its capacity in 2011, making it the largest and most advanced of its kind in Western Canada. Additional development of the site allowed us to increase storage capacity for both liquid and dry fertilizer to service an overgrowing demand from our repeat customers. From the beginning, OMEX has heavily invested in R&D to develop and test new technologies and bring new products to market in Western Canada. We are committed to offering the best customer service to our clients, and our quality assurance program allows for full traceability from raw materials to finished products. Over the years, we have developed key partnerships with various stakeholders, including our vendors and suppliers, distribution partners, ag chem and seed companies, ag retailers, and most importantly, our growers, who ultimately use our products. Through our international alignment, OMEX is able to leverage many resources, including access to a network of researchers in academia, formulation chemists and engineers, technical sales staff and agronomists, all of whom bring innovation and new ideas to our business. Our mission is simple: continuously develop and market the most innovative plant health and nutrition solutions, which enable growers to maximize use of resources, minimize environmental impact, and grow the best and healthiest crops possible. Thank you for your support, collaboration, and continuous business, and for making OMEX your plant health partner.